This is how you reduce blue light from your iPhone screen. Why do you want to do this? Blue light wakes you up. So if you're using your screen before bedtime, you're going to want to stop the blue light from hitting you. Instead, you shift it to red light. That makes it easier to fall asleep. In fact, in the mornings, when the sun hits your eyes, it's the blue light from the sun, believe it or not, there is blue light, that wakes you up. That starts your daytime rhythm versus your nighttime rhythm. So if you're seeing lots of blue light at night, it's not letting you start your nighttime rhythm. So let's fix that. You go into the settings. You go to display and brightness. You look for a feature called night shift. This allows us to adjust the blue light and reduce it. So if we turn this off, this is basically off on the far left here. This is no blue light being filtered, or very, very little blue light being filtered. Over here, you can see the color change as I go. It's very subtle, but it makes a big difference. And when I let go, it goes back to what it was before, just so we can see these options clearly. Because changes in the blue light can affect appearance of some on-screen motion and content. For me, it's not a big deal. I'd rather filter out blue light than worry about 100% accuracy on what I'm seeing on the screen. So I have mine scheduled currently to be from sunrise to sunset. You can also schedule specific times if you want to. And you can also manually enable until tomorrow. So that just works for one day, one night. I'm not sure why you do that. Just have a schedule. Just have it every night. So if you're ever on your screen at night, the blue light is filtered out, making sure, or at least helping you fall asleep faster when you do decide to fall asleep. And this feature is available on all Apple products. It's not just the iPhone. I use it on my Mac. You can use it on your Apple Watch. You can use it on your iPad. So if you end up using this and you see some benefit, let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to hear your story about this. And if you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe it to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which is how to set any song as your ringtone. It's a super cool video. I'll see you there.